Thanks. One of my favorite things to do after a long, busy week is to curl up on the couch and catch up on the shows that I missed, or watch a bunch of classic movies back to back. Of course, no good TV binge will be complete without a fun-to-eat snack mix, like the one we're making today. We start by combining some toasted corn cereal with mini pretzels, dried cranberries, and chocolate-coated candies. After giving them a toss, we set them aside while we melt some almond bark in the microwave. It melts quickly, so keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. Now we pour this over our cereal mixture and toss it one more time until it's coated well. To give this a fun out-of-the-box twist, we sprinkle it with a mixture of dry white cake mix and powdered sugar. Now onto a baking sheet it goes. Once it sets up, fill up a bowl and head to the couch. It may sound simple, but the combo of the sweet and salty plus all the different textures really brings this to life. It's so good, you may want to make a double batch. To get the recipe for our Munchin Crunchin snack mix, just visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a munchable way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.